There's a bloke over there on a yacht. I reckon he's got the right idea today, going for a sail. So I've rigged up my Pacific Action. Let's stick the sail up and go home. This is a life. Doesn't take any effort at all. I can sit here quite happily, throwing lures out, texting, having a fag, do whatever I like. I haven't even got to think about things, and I'm going in the right direction. I really don't know why I don't do this more often. It's perfect if you're lazy. Don't need to make the slightest bit of effort. I'm on a collision course now. I can tell there's no wind today because the wind turbine is actually turning. Normally it doesn't, not when it's windy anyway. It hasn't been working for weeks because it's been too windy. Ridiculous. That was a waste of my tax money. I've run out of sea now, so I'm just going to collapse the sail and paddle home.